Buenos dias and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. We are continuing with International Week by traveling to sunny Mexico. After spending a day on a sun-drenched beach with a good book in one hand and a frosty margarita in the other, we'll take a dip in the ocean, watch the sunset, and then retire to the palapa for a delicious meal of enchiladas. So that's what we're making today, enchiladas. I will put the full recipe down in the description. What you will need for this recipe is 8 large tortillas, of course, 1 small onion diced, a bell pepper. I'm using yellow, orange, and red just to give it some color, and that's diced as well, about a cup of broccoli florets, 6 ounces of baby spinach, 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 8 ounces of shredded cheese. I'm using a mixture that you can buy in the supermarket, a taco blend, or you could just use Monterey Jack. I am using for the salsa my smoky salsa, homemade, and I will also put a link to that recipe down below, or you can watch the video by clicking right there. So let's move over to the stove and get started. In a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, we're sauteing our peppers, onions, and broccoli until they become tender, about 5 minutes. And now we patiently wait for the spinach to wilt. I have here a 9 by 13 baking dish, oven safe. We're just going to spread our salsa over the bottom. Now we'll fill our tortillas. Take about a 1/4 cup of our sautéed vegetables to the center of the tortilla, fold and roll. And then place them in the baking dish, seam side down. Now cover with the remainder of your salsa and add your cheese. And don't be stingy with the cheese. Now just pop this in your preheated oven at 400 until the cheese is melted and bubbly. There it is in all its ooey gooey cheesy goodness. Serve it on a plate with some yellow rice, a little sour cream. Oh, so good. I'm gonna say it. It's the whole enchilada. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and join us again tomorrow as International Week continues. Where are we going? You'll have to come back tomorrow to find out. I'll see you then.